Ooh, and for today's special treat, this place stinks really bad. This is the Landfill near Dillon, Colorado. Check out these bad boys. That's a pretty serious rig there. It's the stench here is pretty bad, and it's not even a hot day. It's pretty aromatic, to say the least. No. Ez már rám szólt, hogy nincs ingyen. Gotta have a safety vest on. Okay, now we're safe. Wow. I've never seen one of these machines before. Man, that's a dirty job. Because this place really reeks. That's the makings of a pretty good bonfire up there. There's a shooting range right up there. Oh, look at the tracks this machine leaves. So this is the real deal. This is the inside scoop. It's where all the trash goes in the Breckenridge area. This is such a cool machine though. Look at those wheels. Those are amazing. Imagine how heavy that thing is. That does not look like a fun job at all. Nice view from up here though.